Advisory asking students not to participate in the ongoing demonstrations. The universities urged the students to follow the law, focus on studies and avoid any action that could harm their future. To which we've already seen a pretty angry response that came in from Rahul Gandhi asking them that how dare you stop the students there from participating in protests. But we are now looking at these advisories that continue to be issued on part of the universities there, asking the students, Kritika, that focus on your studies, give time to your, when it comes to your academic careers is something that you have to build for the future. So focus on studies, not on streets. That is now coming in straight away as far as these advisories that have been issued. And don't risk your future. This is the warning that is coming in. And action or legal action could be initiated against the students there who would be found involved and participating in illegal protests. So let's get you exactly what these students who have been protesting. And of course, when it comes to being associated with several universities in the national capital, but as the university is urging students to stay away from the protests, the critics are questioning whether campuses should be actually discouraging democratic participation or be defending the rights of the student to dissent.
देखिए, जंतर मंतर पे जो भी लोग जा रहे हैं कोई अपनी स्वेच्छा से नहीं जा रहे हैं। आग है जो जल रही है, लोग उनको अपना भविष्य दिख रहा है। हम समझते हैं कि जो डीयू का जो प्रशासन है वो सरकार से गुहार लगाए, सरकार से कहे, सरकार से रिक्वेस्ट करे कि छात्रों नौजवानों की आवाज को सुनते हुए वो एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर का जो है तुरंत इस्तीफा या उनको बर्खास्त करने का काम करें। डीयू प्रशासन को भी छात्रों के साथ खड़े होना चाहिए।
डीयू के अंदर कौन बैठ गया है? सारे लोग तो वही बैठे हुए हैं ना। आपने एक विचारधारा के लोग भर दिए, उनको शिक्षा से मतलब नहीं है। वो तो चाहते हैं कि आप अशिक्षित रहें। इतनी महंगी कर दी कि गरीब आदमी के बाहर हो गई। प्रधानमंत्री जी ईमानदार हैं तो सबसे पहले लोन माफ कर दें, शिक्षा को सस्ती कर दें। बच्चों के लिए जो शिक्षा के आपने हाल कर दिया कि उसका व्यवसायीकरण करके उसको इतना महंगा कर दिया कि वो पकड़ से ही बाहर हो गया।
Well, Kritika, we have DU, which is Delhi University, JNU, Jawaharlal Nehru University, and now Jamia Millia, which have issued similar advisories. Kritika?
Right, Amita. In fact, it started with first IIT Roorkee, wherein we're seeing that the universities at the beginning of every academic session reach out to their students. But now, because this is also coinciding with the mega protest that is taking place in Delhi, a lot of them are advising their students in direct words not to join the Jantar Mantar protest. And this is not being taken kindly by definitely members of the opposition who are calling it a direct attack on the freedom of speech and expression of the students, who have also said that this is a massive overreach on part of the universities as well to tell their students not to go to these protests. In fact, not just students, but even these are applicable to the staff, to the faculty, to staff as well.
Yes. And reactions that continue to come in from the opposition side, which have been calling out these universities, asking the students not to participate in these protests that has been taking place. Thank you, Kritika, for that update. But let's in the